switching my flow. I'm getting money, but I want more. Yeah, yeah. Drip too hard when I come through. Black beans cool when I'm sunroof. How you a boss, you don't own shit.
T'es venu en boîte avec des meufs, on t'a recalé, oh là là. Ni en tactile, ni en T9, zéro smiley, non, non, non.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's video.Posh, and for those of you who are new, welcome guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see by the title of today's video, we are going to be finally, I've been asked so many times to do this video and I'm finally doing it. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this split wig poofy, this awesomeness right here. Everybody loves this hair. Ever since I posted it on TikTok, everybody went crazy for this hairstyle. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I basically create this wig. So I did buy this wig off of Amazon, but it does not come like this. But I am going to be showing you guys how to basically finesse the wig and make it look just like this. And I'm also going to show you guys how to achieve the split hair color. This is synthetic hair, so it's harder to color. But I'm going to show you guys the method that I use to color this wig, and it's lasted me, and it honestly doesn't rub off on my hands or anything like that. I have colored like a lot of synthetic wigs, and the colors shed on my hands. Like if I go like this, I'll end up having pink hands. But with this unit, I don't know why, but that didn't happen. So I'm going to show you guys how to color it. Hopping right into the video, we got this wig from Amazon.com. It comes like this. It doesn't have any like name or anything like this. It's just a wig from Amazon. This is how the wig looks. It looks like a party, like a play wig when you first get it. But I'm going to show you guys how to finesse it and make it look like the wig that I have on my head. So this is not a lace front wig, guys. It's a full wig. It looks like this. It doesn't have any lace on it at all. As the comb in the front, this is how the wig looks. As you guys can see, this doesn't look anything like how my wig looks on my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap out wigs and put on the new wig so I can show you guys how I'm going to cut it up and basically make it look like this. Okay, so as you guys can see, this looks nothing like my wig. Like if I didn't tell you guys that you had to customize the wig and I just brought it like this, then you would get a wig that looks like this, and this looks nothing like the wig that I have. But we are going to fix that problem. Like I would not wear it like this. That's why I had to fix it up, because this just looks super crazy, like no volume. The tracks are showing here, but we are gonna fix it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is have to puff the hair out, and to do that you're gonna use like a large tooth comb, and you're basically just gonna aim for the roots. And this is how we're going to give the hair volume and make it look like big afro curly hair, because we don't want the hair to look flat like that, because that's not what's in right now. So don't worry about the long hairs. We're going to cut that later. So we're basically just gonna puff this wig out, and don't be scared to like comb the ends, because the whole thing is to, you see, it's volume to the hair. So we're just basically adding volume to the hair. Nobody wants a wiggy looking wig. Like this side looks so wiggy. Ow, that just hurt. So it's basically like teasing the hair. This is a little track, but I just want to make sure I have the hair separated. And then we also have to comb out the bang. So as you guys can see, there's already a huge difference in the hair. this is a little bit too combed out, so I'm just gonna tuck that. Okay, so this is one side done and this side is not done, so you guys could clearly see the difference. So we're gonna keep doing that, poofing out this hair.
Intentions.
I might not be able to see for a while. Make sure you get the entire wig because you don't want to have spots that are not poofy.
There you go. I get a stable in my bed.
Okay, so I actually like how this wig looks like this, and I think I'm gonna keep it longer because the pink wig that I have, it's kind of shorter. So this time we are not gonna cut that much hair off. So I'm just gonna go and start trimming the hairs. If you guys see me looking down, that's because I'm also recording this for TikTok. So just bear with me. So I'm just gonna start cutting hairs, like all the long hairs and the hairs that I want on my face, I'm gonna cut it.
But somehow it came to an end. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me. Yeah. Push it back, hold you close, start a fire, there you go. I get a stable in my bed all alone. Never know when you home. I get unstable, I get unstable. Remember the first time I met you, the way that it had made me feel. But later something changed between us, and now I don't know where we meet. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me. I was looking for a remedy.
Okay, so this I like. With the other wig, I cut it a lot. That's why it looks so much shorter. But this one, like I said, I want to keep it longer. The other wig, I cut hairs here, I cut hairs here, but I like this, the way this wig looks like big. With the hair longer like that. I think it looks super cute. Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave this like this. I mean, if you wanted to wear the wig blonde, you could wear it blonde like this, but me, I'm extra. I like to do like different things. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I color this wig. So before I do this, I just wanna add, when I first did this, I used markers. Like I use permanent markers. Like you can see the marker, like, you know, the thing that's inside of the marker, it's inside of this bottle because I just basically dropped it in there. So when I first colored this hair, I use markers, but with the purple hair, like the purple side of this hair, if you guys can see, the purple looks like more, like you can tell that the purple is stronger. Like the purple looks more stronger. The pink looks kind of faded and like looks like blondish. And that's because for the purple, I actually added in some hair dye. So today I'm going to be trying like the yellow hair dye. Instead of using markers, I'm going to do the hair dye. So if you're going to use markers, which is what I usually do, you just get a bunch of permanent markers from Walmart, and you also going to need alcohol. Right now, like the world is going crazy with the whole coronavirus, so alcohol is probably sold out, but I was able to find this bottle right here and it has some alcohol in it. So I'm going to use this for the yellow, and I'm just going to pour a bit of the alcohol in this bottle and use it for the pink hair side. Open this and try not to make it get pink everywhere. And I'm going to pour some alcohol into this. So for the yellow, I'm going to take it and I'm going to pour some of this into the alcohol. after I take the top off. It actually looks green. This better not come out green. Take this up. It literally looks green. You guys, I might have a a split pink green wig. So I'm just gonna shake this up, and then I'm gonna have to take the wig off my head, and then we're gonna start spraying it. So this is the pink, and this is the yellow, which appears green. So for this wig, this side is pink. So I'm just gonna stick to that. And I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks on my hair. I hope this squirty works. See that? Yeah, you guys can see that. So that's pink in my hair. This is how the pink looks, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray more. I might mess up this sweater. Pink. So you guys see the pink? This alcohol is so strong. Like, this is why last time I didn't do it on my head. So we're just gonna keep spraying and finessing it in the hair.
Yeah. Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable, I get unstable. In my bed all alone, never know when you home. I get unstable, I get unstable.
As you can see, like one small bottle of alcohol is good because you only need a little bit of spray. Especially this time, the marker was sitting in there, so it's like more like pigmented this time around. So now I like the way the pink looks. Now I'm gonna see if this is actually yellow or green. I hope it's yellow because I want yellow. So let's try this out. Yeah, oh, okay, yeah, it is yellow. I see it. You guys see it? Yellow. I'm actually gonna take the pink glove off because I don't wanna mix the colors. And then we are going to go ham with this yellow. I might have to put more color in it because I feel like it's not pigmented enough. Even though it looks like this. It looks so yellow. So I'm probably better off not adding more because it's already like.
I get unstable in my bed all alone, never know when you home. I get unstable, I get unstable. Remember the first time I met you, the way that it made me feel. But later something changed between us, and now I don't know where we meet. I was looking for a remedy. Now I don't know who's in.
It's so strong. So So when you guys do this, I recommend that you take the wig off your head. Don't do this on your head because this alcohol is so strong. Like, I'm inhaling alcohol right now. I don't know how good that is for you, but I just want to show you guys how to do this hair. So definitely take it off your head and put it on like a mannequin. Ooh, this smell is so strong. Okay guys, so that is basically it. That's how we do the wig. Like I said, don't spray it on your head. Do it on like a mannequin or something. Last time I used this thing right here, and I put bags and like newspaper on the floor because this stuff does drip, and then I just sprayed it. Because this is my second time doing it, I kind of know how to like section it off. But when I first did it, I did use a plastic bag. Like I put a plastic bag on this part of the hair while I was spraying the pink, so no purple would transfer. And this is how it comes out, guys. Like I think this is super easy to do. I think it's super easy to do, and I like it. It's super cute. Like I've never really seen somebody with big curly hair that was split. That kind of makes me a trendsetter. So yeah guys, that's it. You just gotta let it dry for like a few hours. It's alcohol, so it dries pretty fast, and that's it. I love the way this hair turned out. Love it, love it, love it. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for the video. I hope it wasn't too long, and I really hope it was helpful. If you guys do create this wig, go ahead and tag me. I will definitely repost you because again, I'm a trendsetter. I'm a trendsetter. And I want you guys to be a part of it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.